How much should you actually spend on a hair straightener? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you 5 flat irons that actually deliver no fluff, just real performance for every hair type and budget. Product number 1, ANNLARY 2-in-1 Titanium Ceramic Straightener. First up is the ANNLARY 1-inch flat iron, a budget-friendly option at just $35.46 that surprised me with how much it offers. It's a 2-in-1 straightener and curler with titanium ceramic plates, dual voltage, and a sleek black and rose gold design. If you want salon-level shine without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ionic technology releases negative ions to fight frizz and lock in moisture, which means less damage over time, especially important if you style daily. The adjustable temperature from 320 degrees F to 450 degrees F gives you control whether you have fine, thick, or curly hair. And with 8 heat settings and an LED display, you're not guessing, you're customizing. The 3D floating plates glide without tugging, and it heats up in just 20 seconds thanks to the PTC heater. Plus, the 60-minute auto shutoff and 360 degrees swivel cord make it safe and travel-friendly. Now, some people complained about the silicone pad feeling flimsy or the plates not getting hot enough on lower settings. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's solid. You're not getting pro-grade durability, but for occasional use or travel, it holds up. The lack of reviews might seem sketchy, but with 6,000 plus sold last month, it's clearly resonating with buyers who want function over flash. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want even heat, frizz control, and dual-use styling. Skip this one if you have extremely thick or coarse hair and need maximum heat consistently. For under $40, it's a steal for everyday smoothing and light curling. Product number 2, Elange Hair Le Duo Grand Airflow Styler. Now, if the ANNLARY's lack of pro features bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Elange Hair Le Duo Grand at $60.76 blends flat iron and curling wand with a built-in cooling fan, yes, a fan. It uses titanium plates and airflow vents to cool hair instantly after heating, which locks in style and shine. If you want long-lasting curls or sleek strands without the heat damage, this one's intriguing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 360 degrees airflow system cools your hair the second you release it, which helps styles last longer. Think all day hold without hairspray. The floating titanium plates distribute heat evenly from 280 degrees F to 430 degrees F. So whether you're softening waves or creating tight curls, there's no hot spots. The built-in clip holds hair securely, and the lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. Plus, the 60-minute auto shutoff adds peace of mind. Now, some people complain the fan is noisy or doesn't feel strong enough to make a difference. Here's the thing though, it's not meant to replace a blow dryer. It's a subtle cooling effect that, combined with the titanium plates, helps set styles faster. It's not magic, but for someone who styles daily and wants longevity, it's a smart upgrade. This is perfect for you if you want versatility, straightening, curling, and waves with a little extra hold. Skip this one if you prefer ultra-quiet tools or only straighten occasionally. At just over $60, it's a solid mid-tier pick with real innovation. Product number 3, Kai Original Ceramic Flat Iron. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for classic, reliable straightening. The Kai Original at $63.19 is a cult favorite for a reason. It's simple, effective, and built on decades of salon trust. With 1-inch ceramic floating plates and far infrared heat, it's designed to reduce frizz and static while delivering that signature Kai shine. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ceramic plates heat evenly to 392 degrees F, not too hot, not too cold, which is ideal for fine to medium hair. The far infrared heat penetrates the hair shaft gently, minimizing damage while boosting smoothness. It's not adjustable, which might seem limiting, but Kai tuned this temperature to work best for most people without risking burns or understyling. The rounded edges and floating design let you curl or flip ends with ease. Now, some people complained it doesn't get hot enough for thick or coarse hair. Here's the thing though, that's by design. Kai prioritizes hair health over extreme heat. If you have very thick hair, this might take a few extra passes, but it won't fry your strands. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, trusted flat iron for daily straightening with a smooth finish. Skip this one if you need ultra-high heat or multiple settings. For under $65, it's a timeless pick with real salon pedigree. Product number 4, REVLON Ceramic 2-inch Flat Iron. Now, if you're looking for something even more affordable, the REVLON Ceramic Flat Iron at just $17.68 is hard to ignore. It's a no-frills, 2-inch wide plate straightener with ceramic coating and a compact design. If you want fast, simple straightening on a tight budget, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wide plates cover more hair per pass, so styling takes less time, great if you're in a rush. It heats up quickly to 400 degrees F, which is hot enough for most hair types, and the ceramic coating helps distribute heat evenly to reduce damage. The swivel cord prevents tangling, and the lightweight build makes it easy to handle. Plus, it's travel-friendly, toss it in a bag and go. Now, some people complained about uneven heating or the plates not closing tightly near the roots. Here's the thing though, for under $20, you're getting solid performance. It's not precision engineered, but it gets the job done for basic straightening. This is perfect for you if you need a backup straightener, travel tool, or first flat iron. Skip this one if you have very thick, curly, or damaged hair that needs consistent, high-quality heat. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 5, Babyliss PRO Nano Titanium Ultra Sleek. Finally, if you're ready to invest in pro-level performance, the Babyliss PRO Nano Titanium at $126.67 is the heavyweight on this list. It's used in salons for a reason: ultra-fast heating, maximum shine, and durability that lasts years. If you want salon results at home and don't mind spending, this is the top-tier choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Nano Titanium plates heat up instantly and maintain consistent high heat, perfect for thick, coarse, or resistant hair. They glide like butter, reducing snags and breakage, while the advanced technology enhances shine and reduces frizz. It's built for heavy use with a sturdy construction and professional-grade components. Whether you're straightening, curling, or creating waves, it handles it all with ease. Now, some people complained it's too heavy or gets extremely hot, which can be risky for beginners. Here's the thing though, that power is exactly what makes it great for tough hair. Just use lower settings if you're new to styling. This is perfect for you if you have thick, curly, or hard-to-manage hair and want long-term performance. Skip this one if you only style occasionally or prefer lightweight tools. At $127, it's an investment, but one that pays off in results and longevity. So which one should you pick? If you're on a budget, the REVLON or ANNLARY deliver solid results. The L-Ange adds smart cooling for longer hold. Kai is the reliable classic. And Babyliss PRO, that's for when you want pro power at home. No matter your hair type or budget, one of these will work, just match it to your needs. Let me know which one you're grabbing in the comments.